Hi everyone! In today's video, we'll be looking at how to use modals for criticism. These are really useful for expressing disapproval or annoyance about past actions or general behavior. First, let's talk about criticizing past behavior. We use should have, shouldn't have, ought to have, and oughtn't to have for this. For example, if someone was rude to Mrs. Cole, you might say, "You shouldn't have spoken to Mrs. Cole like that." These modals help us express that someone's past action was wrong or inappropriate. Next, to express annoyance at past behavior, we use could have and might have. For instance, if your friend didn't inform you they were going to be late, you might say, "You could have told me you were going to be late," or "You might have told me you were going to be late." These phrases highlight your frustration that they didn't do something they should have. When criticizing general behavior, we often use will. For example, "He will slam the door every time he goes out." This indicates that the person consistently behaves in an annoying or undesirable way. Finally, to criticize a specific example of someone's general behavior, we use would. For instance, "You would take the car just when I wanted to go out." This means the person has a habit of doing something that causes inconvenience at just the wrong time, and then again, he did it. And that's it for today's quick lesson on using modals for criticism. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.